Hi, I'm Ty.
And I'm Natalie.
And I'm Eric. The throwing away of plastic water bottles is a constant problem. 38 billion water bottles are thrown into landfills each year.
And only 23% of plastic water bottles are successfully recycled.
So we thought, why not make something new out of them? Instead of throwing these bottles into landfills where they take thousands of years to decompose, we decided to kill two birds with one stone.
Go in your pantry and find any grain or cereal. Most of them will work.
Fill the bottle all the way to the top with any grains or seeds or any other bird foods that you choose.
Also, it looks like we're working on it.
After the bottle is full, poke a hole in each side of the bottle with any sharp object like a pen or a needle. When the hole is large enough, insert a pencil, stick, colored pencil, or anything necessary for the bird to perch on.
Shove it in there. Good job.
Perfecto.
No.
Perfecto.
That's cricket.
Okay. Okay, stop.
Now, instead of all these water bottles going to waste, there's an alternative place for them to go. Our bird feeders, which helps nature.